Hello everybody. I am Jigarius, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a cool Redmine plugin called Toggl to Redmine, which I made with support from evolvingweb. Since you are on this video, I'll assume that you already know about Redmine and Toggl. For those of you who don't know, Redmine is a popular open source issue tracking software, and Toggl, on the other hand, is a time tracking tool which lets you track how much time you spend on various tasks. The Toggl to Redmine plugin is a plugin for Redmine. It provides you with an interface which lets you import time tracking data from Toggl into Redmine in a logical way. So let's get started. Now, as you can guess, in order to use Toggl to Redmine, you'll need a Toggl account. You can get one by visiting toggl.com and signing up. I already have a Toggl account, so I'll simply go to the timer page. Now, once the timer page is loaded, you can see a list of all the tasks on which I have worked for the day. To start working on a new task, start with a Redmine ID prepended with a hash, followed by a small comment about the task that you are working on. When you're ready, click on the green play icon, which will start the timer. You will notice that Toggl will count time. When you're done working on this issue, simply click on the red button to stop the timer. There are many people who don't like the idea of copying and pasting issue IDs manually. To work around this problem, you need to get the Toggl Chrome extension. All you have to do is look for the Toggl Chrome extension on Google and you will find this page. To install the plugin, simply click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. You will see that the plugin gets installed and you will land on a configuration page. Scroll down to the bottom of the configuration page and add the URL of your Redmine instance. And then from the drop-down, choose Redmine. This will tell the Chrome extension that you are using Redmine at this particular path. Once you're ready, click on Add. When you start working on an issue, simply go to its page. On this page, you will notice that there's a new button called Start Timer. Clicking on the button, you can start the Toggl timer. You will notice that the Redmine issue ID has already been populated. All you need to do is add a meaningful comment for the task that you're working on. Once the comment is typed, click on Done. Now if you go to Toggl, you will notice that the timer is in action. So, it goes without saying that in order to use the Toggl to Redmine plugin, you will need to install the plugin itself. Usually, a system administrator will take care of this step for you. Once the plugin has been installed, click on My Timesheet and then click on the Toggl button. When you do this for the first time, you will get a message saying, to import time entries from Toggl, please add a Toggl API token to your account. In order to get a Toggl API token, visit toggl.com and then go to your profile settings page. On your profile settings page, at the very bottom, you will notice that there is an API token field. Simply copy the API token, go back to Redmine, paste in the API token into the right field, and click on Save. Once the Toggl API token has been configured properly, we should have no problem visiting the Toggl to Redmine page. On this page, you will see a number of things. On the top of the page, you will see a form with number of options. Right below that, you will see a table containing all the time that you have already logged on Redmine. Right below that, there is one more table which shows you all the time that you have logged on Toggl. And at the very bottom of the page, there is a button which says Import to Redmine. Now let us see how to make it work. First, we go to the top of the page and select the date for which we want to log time. Followed by that, we can choose a default activity which will be applied to all the Toggl time entries by default. Since I am a programmer, my default activity will be development. Once I'm ready, I'll click on Apply. Clicking on Apply will refresh the data on the page. Now you will be able to see all the time that you have logged on Toggl. This is your chance to choose all the entries that you want to import into Redmine. You can choose all entries at once by clicking on the Mark All button. And you can deselect any entries that you do not want to import into Redmine. Now, for each entry, you can change the comments, you can also change the activity and the time. Once you have reviewed everything and you are ready to import time into Redmine, simply click on the Import to Redmine button at the bottom of the page. Followed by this, you will see that all the time has been imported into Redmine successfully. So once again, I am Jigarius, and I hope you like this plugin. A link to the plugin can be found in the video description. So hasta luego, and thank you very much for watching this video.